Hi friends, I just received my new Stopwatt energy saving devices. I received a box of 4 devices and they are basically aimed to achieve 2 things. First, save some money on electricity bill, and second, stabilize or make a more even electrical current in your house, protecting your electric accessories or your electric appliances. Okay, so they recommend using them for about a month to actually see the results in the billing savings. So I'm going to install them today. I wanted to show them to you. We are going to install them around the house, 4 of them, and in about a month I will make another video to tell you how the electricity bill came with the use of these adapters. Thank you. Let's try them. We have the 4 accessories installed. Let's give them a month. Let's see what happens.